Create Windows 10 USB installation drive with Linux only. By UDisk, I mean a 2.5-inch HDD placed in an external hard drive enclosure. I'm quite familiar, not professional, daily use only, with Linux, Arch and Ubuntu, but newbie to Windows. Sometimes I accidentally kill my Windows installation with some silly yet unrecoverable operations, and I have to download Windows 10 ISO image, borrow a PC with a working Windows installation from someone, install Ultrazo on that computer, create Windows 10 installation UDisk with Ultrazo and ISO image, boot my computer with the UDisk, repair/reinstall my Windows 10. I'm tired of borrowing computers or preparing extra UDisks. Is there any way to create a Windows installation UDisk without Windows with Linux only? Unacceptable solution. dd if sadface xxx.iso of =dev/sdx. There is no way it's ever gonna work. Install Ultrazo on Windows VM, create a virtual disk, flash ISO to virtual disk with Ultrazo in VM, then binary dump virtual disk to my UDisk. Too much trouble? Possible solution. Manually set up isolinux/grub2/etc. on UDisk and extract ISO. If so, a thorough tutorial is much appreciated.
The best way to do that currently is to use voice. There is also a GUI for those that prefer it.
I did some search and found a perfect script, Windows 2 USB. Since WOSP doesn't support UEFI, this tool supports BIOS and UEFI, with Rufus driver, FAT32 and NTFS.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.